Do you have a curly wig that is matted, dry, and desperately needs some TLC? Don't worry, I got you. Hi my loves, as you can tell by the title of this video, we're gonna jump right into this tutorial. As you can see, I have this headband wig that is a kinky curly texture. I love it so much, and personally I think it looks so realistic, but right now it needs some love, as you can see. So we are heading to the sink. I love these collapsible buckets. They come in handy and save so much water. Highly recommend. So as you can see, you can even line up where you want the water to sit. I'm going to put it halfway, and the water I'm using is lukewarm. I don't want it to be too hot and dry out or damage the hair, and I don't want it to be cold as of yet. I'm taking a moisturizing shampoo and mixing that into the water. Feel free to use whatever shampoo you like. And then I'm going to take my very dry and matted afro kinky curly wig and submerge this into the water. Then I'm going to just, massage it through a little bit and let this sit in the water for about 5 minutes just to make sure all that dirt just kind of gets out of the hair. When I am cleaning my wigs, I love to pay attention to the length area, in this case where the tracks are. So I take an edge control brush and I apply some shampoo onto that, and then I just give it a good scrub. If you are cleaning a headband wig like I am, then make sure the band section is also clean as well. And when you're doing this process, you want to make sure you're being very gentle. It looks like I'm being aggressive, but I promise you I'm not. Then I'm just gonna give it one more little rinse in that sudsy water, and then I'm gonna change it and do the same exact process, but this time with conditioner. So I'm gonna put this into the water, same thing, mix it around, let the wig submerge into this, and this is just gonna give it a nice coat. And as you can see, I'm going to add more moisture. So I only leave that in for about 5 minutes as well. And you do not have to rinse out the conditioner in the hair because we're gonna follow up with a hair mask. I'm using one from Sol de Janeiro. It has their classic boom boom scent, the Cheirosa 62 fragrance. It smells divine, but feel free to use any hair mask that you love. I do recommend a mask that smells really, really good because your hair will thank you. I am generous with this process because I think this is the #1 secret to adding so much moisture to your kinky curly wigs. So once you're done with that, you're gonna take a disposable shower cap and then apply this to the wig. These are like the really cheap ones you can get online or like at your local dollar store. So I'm using quite a few, as you can see. And then I'm gonna let this sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. I really want that heat to just get in there and just add all that moisture. And you guys, watch when you see these curls. Just look at it. Oh, so excited. It feels so soft and just, it's amazing. Works like a charm every single time. So I am rinsing out that conditioner, that deep treatment mask. We're gonna give it a good rinse in our sink. I am using cold water to lock in that moisture along with finger combing just to make sure there are no tangles. And these are the final results. You will see that the curls just feel really soft. It looks hydrated, super bouncy, and there's so much shine to it. Now it's time for styling. I'm using a microfiber towel to dry off this wig. Then I'm taking a leave-in conditioner and I'm gonna spritz that all over the hair. Now, it depends on your schedule. I wasn't in a rush, so I let this sit overnight, but feel free to let this air dry for a few hours or use a blow dryer on the cool setting. Again, I'm finger combing this hair so there are no tangles, and there's gonna be a quick outfit change because this is the next day, okay? You'll need a spritz water bottle along with any styling products that you like to use for curly hair. I personally enjoy mousses and anything that has a gel-like consistency or pomade. And look at these curls just for sitting overnight, you guys. So now we are going to spritz this hair so it's really moisturized. All of the products shown in this video will be linked in the description box below, and I don't use that much product. However, the results are very long lasting. But of course, use what works for you and what you have accessible at your home. But you guys, if you get anything, I highly recommend this S Curl Activator. It is a game changer. Again, I am generous with the product because I want this style to last. I don't want to restyle this wig. Once I style it, this lasts me for about 2 weeks and I'm good. So as you can see, I'm scrunching the hair from the tips and upward and just raking through so that definition really sticks. And then this is optional, but I do love a good frizz control mousse. I usually concentrate that on the top part of the wig just so it like tames any frizz you may be seeing, and it really helps to define the texture as well. This is optional, but I really do like adding mousse to my wigs, and I will put other products that I like as well, different options below in the description box. And again, adding as much water as needed to make sure it looks really supple and bouncy. Look at this shine, look at this definition. No tangles, none of that. It's just beautiful, bouncy. I love it. Every single time I do this routine, I get the same incredible results. And there you have it, you guys. We have bouncy curls for days. This is the perfect protective hairstyle. It is a headband wig that looks so incredibly natural, and it also is available on Amazon. If you have not seen my previous review about this exact wig, I will leave it in the cards and in the description box below, along to the link to my Amazon storefront, so you can purchase this wig along with all the items that I used to clean it and to style it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that notification bell. That is it. That is all. I will see you guys very shortly in my next one.